Introducing the Advanced Witness Series, a WS-30,050R Intellect torque tester, a cutting-edge solution for your torque testing needs. Designed and manufactured by Advanced Witness Series, this state-of-the-art torque tester combines precision, versatility, and ease of use to elevate your quality control processes. Featuring intuitive single-step access to all functions, the AWS 30,050R ensures effortless operation and minimizes training time for your team. With a bidirectional accuracy of 0.5% of the indicated reading, this torque tester delivers highly accurate and reliable measurements, giving you confidence in your testing results. The AWS 30,050R offers eight available engineering units, including AWS in LB, FT, Newton meters, CNM, kgfcm, GFCM, and kgfm, providing flexibility to meet your specific requirements. Choose from 3 modes of operation: track, peak, and first peak, to cater to different testing scenarios and capture the desired torque values. The RS-232 output enables seamless data transfer and integration with other systems, enhancing your data management capabilities. With a torque range of 550 Oz, a drive size of 1/4-inch SQ, and an accuracy of plus 0.5% of the indicated reading, the AWS 30,050R is the ideal tool for various applications. Operating within a temperature range of 0-50 deg, this torque tester is powered by a NIM battery/12 VDC line input and offers a battery life of 8-10 hours of continuous use. Weighing only 5 pounds and with dimensions of 8x 3.125 x 4.125, the AWS 30,050R is portable and convenient to use in different environments. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the Advanced Witness Series AWS 30,050R Intellect torque tester. Its single-step operation, exceptional accuracy, versatile unit conversions, multiple operating modes, and RS-232 output make it an indispensable tool for quality control professionals. Invest in this advanced torque tester and experience precision and efficiency like never before.